My brethren, we all have our individual reasons why we chose to enter the fold of our brotherhood. Indeed, our journey to and through the craft is deeply personal. But wherever that journey might take us, hopefully, it still finds its roots and foundations in the principles of brotherly love, relief, and truth.
Nasimulan natin ngayong taon kung paano tayo nagbuklod-buklod ang mga distrito. Sana hindi lang ito ngayong taon, sana sa mga susunod pa i-promote natin sa ibang lodges kung paano magmahalan talaga yung mga.
Tuwan-tuwa tayo sa nangyayari sa ating kapatiran. Napakaraming gusto magmason. Pero generally speaking, from the general public, hindi kaya natin naitatanong sa sarili natin, paano ba tayo tinitingnan ng mga nagmamasid sa atin? Napakarami na nating mason dito. Lalo ngayon, linggo-linggo may mga instalasyon, linggo-linggo napupuno ang isang lugar dito ng mga mason.
I just want to remind everyone that we never know what will happen in our daily lives or in the days to come and in our journey in Masonry. What is important is that we do good and surely goodness will come back to us. Let us stay positive and keep spreading kindness. Our actions today shape the brightness of our tomorrows.
By your actions or by your acts shall Masonry be judged. Kung ano ang pagkilos natin, ganyan tayo titingnan ng sanlibutan.